What's up, y'all? This is Patrick Murphy with Real Server Training, and this is James Serino. He's a camera guy here. So the focus of this channel here came about with me and James talking about the fact that most servers aren't getting any kind of real instruction when they come into a restaurant to do their job. All right. So what we want to focus on here more than anything else is just setting you up for success so you can do your job well, perform with more confidence, and ultimately make more money. All right. Now, with that being said, the focus of this channel is not on how to make more money. It's not how to get your check average higher and how to get a bigger tip. That's not the focus at all. The money is going to be a byproduct of you doing a better job. And the problem going on with most servers coming into a restaurant is they're simply not taught how to do their job very well. I actually waited tables about back in college. It was maybe 8 years ago. And my experience, I believe, was like a lot of other service experience. I came in, they sized me up. They thought, all right, he looks good for the job. Looks like he can do it. They had me sit down with the menu. I studied that for a couple days. I followed somebody around for a couple shifts, and then I was given a little section and just kind of told best of luck, all right? What ended up happening with that, I didn't crash and burn, all right? It wasn't like a sad story there, but I never thrived by any means, all right? I was just kind of keeping head above water, and more often than not, I was drowning in the shift. I was weeded, I didn't really know how to handle things, I didn't know what to do, and nobody was really there to tell me how to do it. All right, so what I want to do here is give a more in-depth instruction on how to do the job, how to handle things, the correct attitude to approach this whole endeavor with, and ultimately set you up to just have a more enjoyable work experience.